Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add an admin user in My CI Hub and explain their role and responsibilities. Admin users are designed to help with administrative tasks, making it easier to manage your licenses and account. Let's get started. If you need to add an admin user to help manage your licenses, here's what you need to know about their role. Admin users can manage your product licenses, which includes assigning and removing license users from subscription. They can also view and manage subscriptions to ensure licenses are appropriately allocated, make purchases, change billing or payment settings, or use the licenses themselves. To add an admin user, hover over the profile icon next to the Need Help icon in the top right corner of the portal. In the drop-down menu, click on the Users button. Click on New Admin User and fill in the required details, such as the name and email address of the user. Once you've completed the form, click on New Admin User again to finish. The admin user will now appear in your user list and will be able to assist in managing licenses and subscriptions. And that's it. Adding admin users is quick and efficient, helping you streamline account management and delegate administrative tasks with ease. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to our support team. See you in the next video.